It's Friday and I am gonna try and start my capsule wardrobe situation because the weather is finally feeling like spring. Before I go into any shopping or anything like that, or even writing down what I want for a new capsule, I go into my closet. This is my current wardrobe. Most of everything is here. And then I have these two bins, which honestly, this is like pajamas and t-shirts. And then this is just workout stuff. These two bins, excuse the toilet paper stockpile, two bins of stored clothing. So I'm gonna start with clothes. I'm just gonna take out what I had left from spring and summer last year to see what I'm still gonna keep, and if there's anything I'm kind of like, oh, you know what, I don't think I'm gonna want to wear this anymore, I'm gonna list it on Poshmark if it's still in good condition.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
Step 2, which is usually the most time-consuming and exhausting for me, is trying on everything and making sure it still fits. So these shorts are probably 2 years old now from Madewell. They still fit, but I'm not crazy about how they're fitting now. I'm definitely a little more picky on how things should fit, so these will most likely go on Poshmark to someone a little bit thinner than me. I just don't like the way they're bunching. I think these shorts are like hugging my thighs a little bit too much. I do have pretty large thighs, and plus with me working out, I have very muscular thighs, not as toned as I would like, so I definitely think I want longer shorts this season, and I will most likely list these on Posh as well. I bought these last year for spring summer at Reformation, and they're linen, so I really like them. They're a little bit tight, and I don't know if it's because they shrank and they'll like loosen up. I'm worried they're a little bit short in the back too, but I think I'm going to keep them around a little bit longer because I love how high waist these are, and these would look so cute with any crop tops. A few hours. So here are all of the pieces that I pulled out from my closet as well as from my storage bins from last season that are spring appropriate, that still fit relatively well, and that I still enjoy and love. Now, what I did notice by doing this was I have a lot of spring dresses. So I don't think I will be purchasing any new spring dresses, because here are the long ones. This one was dry cleaned last season. Then I have this new one from SWF Boutique. I have this one, which I only wore once. This one, which I only wore once. This one I wore a few, no, I think I only wore this one once. I wore this one a few times. I wore this one a few times. This one was from fall, winter, but I feel like it's still appropriate for like an evening situation. These pants were from last spring and I love them to death, so I'm still gonna wear them. They're from Madewell. They're a little bit looser now on me, which is probably a good sign. So if anything, if it gets too loose, I can always just have them tailored, but that will save me on getting something that, because I wanted something like this in my wardrobe, so this will save me from having to buy something. Also, this will really save me on buying spring dresses. So unless I have a formal event to go to, I don't really need to buy any spring dresses. And then I have some fun like linen pants. These I bought a year ago at Lewin Gray and I love them. They're a little bit tighter because what I've discovered is my thighs have gotten more muscular and my butt has gotten bigger in a good way, like muscle wise, and I haven't really slimmed down. I've just kind of toned and tightened things up. So some of these things are getting a little short because my butt now like pooches the skirt out a bit. So I'm gonna wear these for a while. I'll see if I feel uncomfortable. If I truly feel uncomfortable, I will list them on my Poshmark and replace them. But I think they're gonna be okay. Then I have these that I got towards the end of summer last year from Lewin Gray. and early fall, and I really liked these, so I pulled them out. And again, this used to fit looser, but my thighs just have gotten so much more muscular, which, you know, it's good that I'm building muscle, but I wish I could like slim them a little bit just to fit better in these. So these are more fitted than I would like. So I'm gonna wear them and see how they style with stuff. And if I really am not happy with the fit anymore, I might list them as well. And then you saw me put this on. This is a chambray top that I got from Rails many years ago, but I thought this would be cute. This is more of a vacation top that I put over bikinis. I'm bringing this out. I have one gray v-neck, one white v-neck. I still have this top. I have one tank top that still fits really well. I have this top that I got towards the end of summer last year from SWF Boutique. Perfect little spring top. I have this one that I've just been wearing since, I want to say since fall, and I think I got this one in the fall as well. But I've worn these a ton and I love them. This last summer, I love this Lewin Gray t-shirt dress. It's just so comfortable. This I got on sale for $7 at Zara back when I was still shopping at fast fashion, and I still do shop at fast fashion occasionally. I just don't buy disposable fast fashion, and I can go into detail about that. This is just like a very fun vacation dress. I have this, I don't know, is this print dated? I feel like this was so trendy every spring and summer for like the last 2-3 years. I got this past fall, and I haven't worn it very often, but it's a navy, so I feel like I can still get away with this for spring. I have this, which I actually bought from a yard sale. It's Show Me Your Muumuu, and I just love the way this hangs on me, and I wouldn't be opposed to getting some more Show Me Your Muumuu pieces, but maybe for summer. Then I have this romper that I just love throwing on because it's so comfortable, and it just makes me feel a little more put together than just wearing, you know, cut off shorts sometimes. This jumpsuit, which I got last summer, love this one as well from Lewin Gray. It's so comfortable, even when it's a little bit warmer out, but it's perfect for spring. Then I have my oversized black blazer that I got for fall that I think I can still pair with a lot of different things. And I have my vest and this like knit, and then I have a denim jacket, and I still have my leather jacket in my closet. Now here is a whole bin of things I'm going to list on Poshmark, and then I have some designer shoes and handbags. I'm going to sell my Louis Vuitton Neverfull as well. I have the original box. The box is a little damaged. The bag is in perfect condition. It even has this this thing in it, this detachable pouch, and then I have the dust bag and everything in there. I have to list all this on Poshmark, and if you guys are curious, I will link my Poshmark account. I don't know when I'll have all the pieces up, but I will slowly be adding it. There's a lot of fitness clothes, a lot of bikinis, and lots of spring summer stuff. A lot of the things don't fit me anymore, which is why it's going on Poshmark, and if you're slightly thinner than me, it will totally fit you. And by thinner, I mean like not quite as curvy as I am right now, and I will list all the sizes and stuff. If I can try it on and take a decent photo in it, I will, but if it doesn't fit me properly, I will just take a photo of the actual piece and list it, and all the sizing and measurement details. All the 2 bins that used to be my spring summer clothes are full of my fall winter clothes. Right now I feel like I want to keep everything, so in 2 seasons I will pull these out around fall and kind of reevaluate and decide if I want to keep it for the season, what still kind of goes with the trends, as well as what's still my style, and the things that don't fit in my life will get donated or listed on my Poshmark again. So there are some pieces that need to be dry cleaned or cleaned because we're still in transitional period. Like this is my sweater that I will probably wear one more time and wash it. Then I've got my jeans that are just kind of hanging there. This is got a few more wears before going to the dry cleaner. This needs to probably go to the dry cleaner. But I think I can wear both of these for spring. Jeans I'm keeping out for spring. This I'm kind of undecided. I feel like this is more fall. I feel like everyone needs like a pair of black trousers too. And then this I'm going to dry clean and list on Poshmark, because I just feel like I've worn this dress a few times and it's not really my style anymore. I still really love it, but it's just, you know, it's time to find a new home for it. Store these boots because these are very like fall textures and styles. I decided to keep this hat, which I found. Totally forgot I had it. And this one for like really heavy sun days. Yes, Cooper, please don't be on my hat. I have this bag that I got from Pacific Time, Rachel Talbot's shop last season, and it's still really cute just to like throw stuff in. I kind of really wanted to get a new bag, not a designer bag, but just like a new bag for the spring. So this is part one of my spring capsule wardrobe. This is the clear out inventory assessment of what damage might be done in the next series. Next part of the series is I'm going to be sitting down and really thinking for the next couple of days what I want to add to complete my wardrobe. Immediately off the top, I need a pair of comfortable denim shorts that are a little bit longer, that fit my thighs, that are a little higher rise. I need a couple different tops, probably more like tank tops and short sleeves, because I have one tank top and 2 t-shirts. That's not enough. I definitely need to get some tops, and then I would like to get some bodysuits that make me feel a little bit more womanly versus like flatten my boobs in a bad way. And I already know I need to buy some new bras and some new nude G-strings to go with those dresses that all are essentially see-through if I don't wear like the proper undergarments. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. If you have any questions about how I started a capsule wardrobe in the initial first clear out from my shopaholic clothing days, and by shopaholic clothing days I mean I used to mindlessly walk into fast fashion stores and just buy $100 worth of clothing to feel better and never wear any of it, or maybe wear one piece one time. And then I realized how damaging I was contributing to pollution and environmental damage to the planet, as well as my bank account. Where I first started on my whole financial journey was eliminating fast fashion and mindless clothing shopping. And I started by doing a huge closet clear out, which will be linked in the description box, and then focusing on a capsule wardrobe. Now I have to be honest, spring last year was rough. I didn't buy enough clothes. I didn't think about it well enough. Summer got better. Fall was probably my best capsule, but then I didn't really buy one for winter. So I got really sick of my clothes by the end of winter. And now I'm really refreshed and excited about spring. This is officially a year. It's like a whole journey. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer?